Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on March the 12th, 2020. Trump imposes travel restrictions against Europe. U.S. President Donald Trump imposed extensive restrictions on travel from Europe on Thursday, hitting already weakened airlines and further straining ties with the continent. Trump ordered travel from Europe to the United States restricted for 30 days, responding to mounting pressure to take action against the rapidly spreading coronavirus outbreak disrupting nearly all corners of U.S. daily life. The travel order, which starts at midnight on Friday, does not apply to Britain or to Americans undergoing appropriate screenings, Trump said. Regarding question about suspending of trade with Europe, Trump clarified that trade will in no way be affected. Shares and oil drop after Trump's restrictions. Financial markets collapsed on Thursday as stocks and oil declined after U.S. President Donald Trump stated about banning travel from Europe to hamper the spread of coronavirus, threatening more disruptions to trade and the world economy. Euro Stoxx 50 futures plunged 8.3% to their lowest level since mid-2016. U.S. S&P 500 futures dropped 4.9% in Asia and last traded down 3.6%, a day after the S&P 500 lost 4.89%. Japan's Nikkei decreased 4.4% to a low last seen almost 3 years ago, while MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan lost as much as 4.7%. Overall, MSCI's broadest gauge of world shares has already fallen 19.2% so far from its record peak hit only a month ago. On the commodity market, Brent crude tumbled $1.65 or 4.6% to $34.14. The contract fell nearly 4% on Wednesday. Meantime, U.S. crude futures were down $1.38 or 4.2% at $31.60 after also dropping 4% in the previous session. Nestle plans to sell its struggling business Yinlu. World-famous food giant Nestle has mandated J.P. Morgan Chase & Co. to handle the sale of its struggling Chinese peanut milk business Yinlu that could be valued at about $1 billion. Nestle plans to sell a majority stake in Yinlu, whose sales declined last year but could retain a small holding to oversee the production of Nescafé ready-to-drink coffee that Yinlu co-manufactures in China. First-round bids could be due in late April or early May if the coronavirus outbreak does not delay the process. PepsiCo expands share in the energy drinks market. PepsiCo Inc. made its biggest bet in the energy drinks market with a $3.85 billion deal to buy Rockstar Energy Beverage, opening a new front in its long-running battle with Coca-Cola Co. The deal is also the latest move by PepsiCo's new chief executive officer Ramon Laguarta to reduce the company's dependence on its core sugary drinks and salty snacks, which have been increasingly shunned by health-conscious consumers. Last July, the company announced the acquisition of South African maker of cereals and fruit juice Pioneer Food Group a few months after closing its $3.2 billion buyout of carbonated drink machine maker SodaStream. However, PepsiCo said the deal with the Rockstar is not expected to impact its revenue or earnings per share in 2020.